What's wrong with it? Nililibre naman kita dati ah.
Basta, ako magbabayad ng mga bayarin ko.
Why were you not answering my calls last night?
Ewan ko, tanong mo si Honey, baka alam niya.
Are you still jealous?
Ako? Nagsiselos? Ha? Sino ka ba?
You know Honey wanted to sue because of what you did.
Deserve niya yun.
Buti na lang I convinced her not to.
Ano? Things mo. Oh, things mo na.
Trust me, you have no reason to be jealous. Remember, I'm yours.